In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy OpenClaw on a Hostinger VPS from scratch. By the end, you'll have OpenClaw running on your own virtual private server with a clean, budget-friendly setup. Set aside about 10 to 15 minutes and follow along. Start by opening the Hostinger website. If you have a personal discount link, use it now to lock in savings. From the main menu, choose VPS hosting. You'll see several plans. Select the KVM2 plan, which is the recommended balance of CPU, RAM, and storage for OpenClaw. When you're ready, click Deploy or Get Started to move ahead. Next, choose your billing period. 12 months is a solid choice, but 24 months usually offers the best long-term value. Before you proceed, confirm that any discount from your link is applied so you don't miss out. You'll now see some setup options. Make sure OpenClaw Auto Deploy is turned on. This saves time and avoids manual configuration. Scroll down and skip extra credits. Those aren't needed for this deployment. You can also skip daily backups to reduce costs. You can always enable backups later from your control panel if you prefer. Choose a server location that's physically closest to you or your users to minimize latency. For viewers in the Philippines, Singapore, or nearby Asia regions, generally provide excellent performance. Click. Continue to create your account and handle payment. Register using your email and a strong password, enter your billing details, add your payment method, and submit the payment securely. Keep your login details private. After payment, click Get Started. You'll land on the OpenClaw setup screen where most of the heavy lifting is already configured for you. If you're planning to use a free model like Kimi, skip adding API keys for now. Locate the OpenClaw gateway token, click Show, copy it, and store it securely, ideally in a password manager. Treat this token like a password. It grants access to your gateway, so never share it publicly. When everything looks correct, click Deploy. If a brief survey appears, you can skip it. You'll be taken to the Docker manager where the status will show deploying. This step can take a few minutes. Keep the tab open, avoid refreshing excessively, and let the process complete. Once the deployment finishes, you'll see that OpenClaw is installed on your VPS and the project shows as running. That's it. You're ready to build on top of your new environment. If you need to adjust anything later, you can revisit your VPS panel and update settings without redeploying from scratch.